Hi, welcome to the Phoenix Fly Factory. This is where the magic happens. The factory is located in the heart of Slovenia, and we've been building wingsuits for the past 20 years. The factory was built by Pecnik with the aim to provide cutting-edge wingsuits and tracking suits for the general public. The factory has a team of talented seamstress, cutters, designers overseen by Robert, and together we make sure that each suit is built to a very high standard. Phoenix Fly now offers 13 different suits ranging from small tracking suits, big tracking suits, onesies, acro suits, flocking suits, performance suits. You want it, we have it. The factory has a wide range of different machines, high quality materials, all the bells and whistles you need to make a high quality suit. Now let's check out how a suit is built.
Stop it to the break of dawn, I'm singing.
Each suit is tailor-measured, cut by hand, built with love, and let's say a suhoi is built together with over 165 different pieces. Robbie continues to design new suits, improve new suits, and is working full-time doing so. And he still base jumps and tests all his suits, so good job, Robbie, huh? Thanks for visiting the Phoenix Fly Factory. Feel free to contact us for any info, ordering, or anything you might need. Stay safe, happy jumping, and fly fast.